Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, here is tracking some Arctic air, how it's going to act here over the next couple of weeks. Also, we're tracking a winter storm that could affect a large part of the country and might affect us at the end of the week. So let's go through all this. First, the Arctic air today. And you got these temperatures from 30 below to the teens below zero up in Canada and the far northern United States. This is on Monday and Tuesday, and you can see on Thursday it's starting to head south. On Friday, now we're not going to get to 10 below, but it is going to get awfully close, maybe into Iowa in some spots. And then Sunday and Monday, it begins to retreat, the Arctic air. But you see it tries to come back a little bit. But I think overall, as we go towards the end of the month, even though we'll continue to get some possible shots of Arctic air, it'll start to eventually be retreating. So maybe some milder air by the very end of this month and into the early part of February. We'll be keeping an eye on that. But today, not that mild. It's going to be in the low 20s, 22 degrees. And then tonight, a little weak front is going to try to move in. And ahead of it, a southwest wind picks up, and by 11 p.m. midnight, it's around 20 degrees. And then that front comes south, and areas that the front goes through, it may be 5 to 10 above zero, like Maryville, Bethany, Milan, Cameron, Chillicothe, and south of the front, around 20. Now, regardless of where that front sets up, it is going to warm up in all areas tomorrow. It's going to wash out that front and move away. And temperatures will make a run at 45 tomorrow, 50s possibly at Emporia, Topeka, Lawrence, not out of the question. And then on Tuesday here on the big picture, there it is, the warm front resets up to our north. And then on Wednesday, we could make a run at 50. The question is, when will that front come through? The later it does, the warmer it is. And behind that front, it's not that cold. There's no Arctic air behind it. So on Thursday, it is colder in the 30s and low 40s. The next front, this one is a problem. This one has got the coldest air of the season so far behind it. And on Friday, it blasts on through, and temperatures here will struggle to get to 20. Now, the question will be, what about snow? As you can see, there are some patches of snow on Friday developing to our southwest. I'm going to talk about this here in a second. And then on Saturday, we will see highs only in the teens and 20s, lows in the single digits. Even on Sunday, after a low in the single digits, we'll try to warm up into the 20s. And as I said, we start to warm up. There's another front up there and a little surface low behind the Sunday, and that will swing through and probably bring another shot of colder air early to middle next week. The question is, how fast will the whole Arctic air mass retreat as these little shots come down? So we'll be watching for that. Now, what about this winter precipitation? On Thursday, there's nothing. What are we talking about here? But look on Friday as that Arctic air comes in. Oh my, it is a huge winter storm with snow, ice, all the way down to Dallas, Texas. But you can see the northern edge of the snow is near us. Now, some data has the northern edge at the Iowa border. If that's the case, we could see a few inches of snow with temperatures in the teens. It'll stick to everything. As is, it doesn't look like much snow here on this data, but we'll see about that. The other thing is, it would probably make national news if this ends up being right. A huge ice storm from Texas to Georgia could be very, very bad down there, and we won't have to deal with that as it moves away. And then on Friday it moves out, and or Saturday and Sunday it moves away. So we'll be keeping an eye on that all week long. For today, though, around 22 at 3, 15 at 7, 9 p.m. 14. But look at that, midnight, 3 a.m. and 7 a.m. starts to go back up, and then to 33 by noon, between 3 and 9 p.m. tomorrow, somewhere in there between 40 and 45. Usually the highs at 3 p.m. But in this case, out ahead of that little weak front, it'll be a surge of warmer air. So sometime between 3 and 6, it may get to around 45, and then somewhere between 3 and 9, it'll be 40 to 45 the whole time before it begins to drop back off into the 20s. So yeah, kind of an interesting little thing for tomorrow evening and night. So milder air coming in temporarily. 47 on a Wednesday. Wouldn't surprise me if we reach 50. Then Thursday, we're in that intermediate cold, temperatures in the 30s. And then it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Highs struggling to 20, lows in the single digits. Sunday, though, may get up into the 20s. If there's snow on the ground, that could be a different story. We'll see how that goes. And the next week, staying cold, as I said. But a trend maybe towards warmer at the very end of this month and early February. Have a great rest of your day and week ahead. Stay healthy.